Are you looking to change the decor in your room? Do something a little more exciting, maybe more modern, contemporary, maybe even something more futuristic? If you are, be sure to stay tuned because in today's video, we're going to be looking at the modern, wave-like, contemporary, upholstered platform bed. This is a modern style bed that you see all over the internet. Today, I am not only going to review the bed, but I'm also going to show you how to assemble it. I will share with you the pros, the cons, the durability, if the bed was even worth it, and would I purchase this type of bed again? So come along and let's get started. Okay, so here we are looking at the modern, contemporary, wave-like, curve, upholstered platform bed with headboard. Whew, that's a mouthful. But that is the description when you're looking for it on the internet. This bed is made out of faux leather and it is available in various sizes such as twin, full, queen, king, and even California king. Not in love with the gray? Not a problem. They have it in various other colors such as black, red, silver, white with black trim, chocolate, and dark gray. As you can see here, the bed came in a really large box. We ordered a size queen in a light gray. Keep in mind, this is just the bed. This does not include a mattress or a box spring. This bed is a platform bed, so it doesn't require a box spring, but they do recommend that you use about a 10-inch mattress. This bed does require assembly, so here you see some of the pieces that it brings, such as the boards, it brings the hardware. This is part of the bed frame. This area is for the side of the bed. This is the headboard and the footboard. It's a curved piece for the side of the bed. Here are some of the plastic pieces that are used to attach the wooden boards. And of course, the instructions. Now, as promised, and with the help of my beloved handyman, we are going to give you a sneak peek on how to assemble this exciting bed. voila! Here is the finished product, the modern contemporary wave-like curved upholstered platform bed with headboard. So what do you think? Do you like it? Let me know in the comments below. I would love to know your thoughts. So the questions of the hour are, what were the pros and cons? Was this bed durable? Was it worth the price? And would I purchase it again? In regards to the pros and cons, the only thing that I would say is a slight con, and it wasn't even a full con, it definitely wasn't a deal breaker, was the assembly. The bed does not come assembled, so you do have to take some time to assemble the bed. The instructions are easy enough, and obviously you can watch this video and see exactly how we assembled it. But it definitely would have been nicer if the bed was pre-assembled. But due to the cost of the bed, which I think was relatively inexpensive, I paid approximately $239 for it, plus tax, and I got free shipping. You can't really expect to get a full, modern, beautiful, futuristic looking bed and already assembled for less than 250 bucks. Now, speaking of the price, did I think that the price was worth it? I did. I didn't think that the bed was incredibly expensive. I feel like it is very durable for what it is. It's comfortable. You do not feel the boards or anything underneath the mattress while you're sleeping on it. Considering it just had those wooden boards, I thought maybe this bed does need a box spring. It is a platform bed and it's low, so there really is no space for a box spring. So with that being said, it was a lot more comfortable than I thought it would be. Actually, I don't feel the boards at all. I've had the bed now for 3 months, and I can say that it is comfortable, durable. It comes in a very nice size. I bought it in a queen, so I didn't have to get like a small bed. I didn't have to buy a box spring for the bed, so that definitely saved with cost. The bed is not leather. It's not real leather. It is a faux leather, meaning that it is a man-made fake type of leather. With that being said, the faux leather is nice and taut. It's not loose. Sometimes you buy products that have faux leather and the quality is really not good. It's kind of loose and not really tight looking like leather would be. You could tell that it looks fake. This is not like that. I mean, you could tell that it's not real leather because, I mean, I bought the bed in gray. What leather is actually gray? However, it does look nice and sleek and it doesn't look cheap. Another feature that I really liked about this bed was that it had a backrest, which is really nice for just sitting up, reading books, relaxing, being on your iPad or your tablet. Because it has kind of a curved shape, it's actually comfortable for your back. So you just kind of sit there, relax, and enjoy your reading time, your quiet time. It's not like having a backboard on the bed where you actually would have to be, upright. It's comfortable. It has that curve, so it definitely is comfortable. So that was a feature that I liked very much. And I think one of the funnest and most important feature obviously was the style of the bed. It looked futuristic, it looked modern, very sleek, and it just had a really interesting style that you just don't normally see in an everyday bed. And my last question was, would I purchase this bed again? And the answer is yes. I would definitely purchase this bed again. I think it is inexpensive, it's a fun and interesting looking bed, and it definitely gives a whole nother mood and style if you're looking for a modern type decor. So there you have it, guys. That is my honest opinion on the modern wave-like platform bed. I hope you liked this video. I hope you got a lot of information out of it. I hope you were able to learn how to assemble it very simply. And I hope you got a lot of knowledge concerning this product. If you like this video, please be sure to like, subscribe, and maybe even comment. Remember, things are not cheap. We as consumers need to know what we're getting into before we just go off buying products. With that being said, thank you for watching and see you at the next video. Bye-bye.